Football match day.
Emma, the stadium looks full today.
Yes, it does. Everyone is wearing the team colors.
I can hear the drums from outside the gate.
The fans are very excited.
Do we need to show our tickets again?
Yes, at the next door. Keep your ticket ready on your phone.
Here it is. I hope the screen is bright enough.
It is fine. After the gate, we go to Section C.
Section C, row 9, seats 10 and 11.
Good. Those seats are near the middle so we can see both goals.
I bought a small scarf for the match.
Nice. Hold it up when the players come out.
Look, the field is so green.
And the lights are very bright. It feels like a special night.
The players are warming up now.
Our goalkeeper is practicing near the goal.
He looks calm. I hope he plays well.
Me too. The other team is strong, but our team is fast.
The announcer is speaking. I think the teams are coming.
Stand up, Tom. Everyone is clapping.
Wow, listen to the noise.
This is why I love football matches.
The captain is waving to the fans.
The referee is checking his watch.
The whistle will come soon.
The ball is in the center now.
I feel nervous, but in a good way.
Same here. Come on, team.
There is the whistle.
The match has started. Watch the left side.
Great pass. This is already exciting.
Yes, do not look away. Anything can happen now.
If our team scores first, this place will be even louder.
I know. Let us cheer, but let us also watch every move.
Home internet problem.
Thanks for coming, Emma. My internet stopped working this morning.
Okay, I am here to check the connection for you.
The lights on the router keep blinking.
I see. Let me look at the router first.
It is on the small table near the wall.
Thank you. Did you restart it today?
Yes, I turned it off and on twice.
Good. That is always the first simple step.
The Wi-Fi name is still on my phone, but nothing loads.
That means the router has power, but the line may be weak.
Is it a big problem?
I do not think so. I will check the cable and the signal.
The cable is behind the desk. I can move the chair up.
Please do. Thank you. The cable is a little loose.
Really? I did not notice that.
It happens often. I will push it in carefully.
The light changed from red to green.
That is a good sign. Now I will test the speed.
Should I try my phone again?
Yes, please open a simple page.
It works now. The page opened quickly.
Great. I will still check the modem settings.
Thank you. I work from home, so I really need it.
I understand. Your connection looks stable now.
Do I need a new router?
Not today. This router is still fine.
What should I do if it happens again?
First check the cable, then restart the router for 1 minute.
That is easy to remember.
I will write it on this small note.
Perfect. You saved my morning.
You're welcome. Call us again if the problem returns.
I will keep this note near the router.
Good idea. Small checks can save a lot of time.
Hotel checkout.
Good morning. I would like to check out, please.
Good morning. Of course. May I have your room number?
Room 202.
Thank you. And may I have your name, please?
It is Tom Miller.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, the room was clean and quiet.
I am glad to hear that.
I left the key card on the desk in my room.
That is okay. We can close the room from here.
Great. I was not sure if I had to bring it down.
No problem. Let me check your bill.
Sure.
You stayed for 2 nights and breakfast was included.
Yes, that is correct.
I see one small charge for bottled water from the room.
Yes, I took 1 bottle last night.
Then your total is already paid online, and the water is $3.
Can I pay that by card?
Yes, please tap your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Could you email me a copy as well?
Of course, is the email on your booking still correct?
Yes, it is.
I have sent it now.
Thank you. One more question. Can I leave my suitcase here for 2 hours?
Yes, we have a luggage room behind the desk.
That would help a lot. My train is later today.
I will give you this luggage tag.
Perfect. I will come back before noon.
That is fine. Have a safe trip, Mr. Miller.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. The taxi stand is outside on the right.
Great. That is exactly what I needed.
Bakery morning.
The bread smells wonderful this morning.
Thanks. We just took fresh bread out of the oven.
I would like something simple for breakfast.
We have warm rolls, cheese pastries, and small apple cakes.
The cheese pastry sounds good. Is it very salty?
No, it is light. Many people choose it with tea.
Then I will take one cheese pastry, please.
Sure. Would you like it warm?
Yes, please. Warm is better.
Okay. Anything else?
What kind of bread is that on the top shelf?
That is whole wheat bread. It is soft inside.
Is it good for sandwiches?
Yes, very good. It stays fresh for 2 days.
I will take one loaf of that too.
Great choice. Would you like it sliced?
Yes, sliced, please.
Sure, I will slice it now.
Thank you. Do you also have coffee?
We have coffee and tea at the small counter.
I will take a small tea.
With sugar or without sugar?
Without sugar, please.
All right. 1 warm cheese pastry, 1 sliced whole wheat bread, and 1 small tea.
That is correct.
Your total is $7.
Can I pay in cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your change and your receipt.
Everything looks fresh.
Be careful. The pastry is hot.
Thanks for telling me.
You're welcome. Enjoy your breakfast.
I will come earlier next time for more fresh bread.
We open at 7 every morning.
At the post office.
Hello, I need to send this package.
Hello, I can help you with that. Where is it going?
It is going to my brother in Chicago.
All right. Is the address written on the box?
Yes, but I want to make sure it is clear.
Let me see. The street number and zip code are easy to read.
Good. I was worried about the small letters.
They are fine. What is inside the package?
A book and a birthday card?
Any liquid, food, or fragile items?
No, only the book and the card?
Great. Would you like standard shipping or express shipping?
What is the difference?
Standard takes 4 to 5 days. Express takes 2 days.
The birthday is next week, so standard is okay.
Standard will be $6.
That sounds fine.
Do you want tracking?
Yes, please. I want to know when it arrives.
Tracking is included with this label.
Perfect.
Please place the package on the scale.
Like this?
Yes, thank you. It is not heavy.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please insert your card.
Done.
Here is your receipt and your tracking number.
Should I keep this paper?
Yes, keep it until the package arrives.
Good idea. Do I need to do anything else?
No, I will put the label on and send it today.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
I feel better now that the package has tracking.
Yes, tracking makes it easier to follow.
Buying popcorn at the cinema.
Hi, the movie starts soon, so I need to order quickly.
Sure. What would you like?
I would like popcorn, please.
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please. Is it very salty?
It is lightly salted. You can add more salt if you want.
Lightly salted is perfect.
Would you like butter on it?
Just a little butter, please.
Good choice. Would you like candy as well?
Maybe. What do you recommend?
The small chocolate bag is popular.
I will take one of those.
Of course. Anything to drink?
What drinks do you have?
We have water, cola, orange soda, and iced tea.
I will take cola.
All right. Medium popcorn with a little butter, one small chocolate bag, and one cola.
That is right.
Your total is $14.
Can I tap my card?
Yes, the card machine is ready.
Done.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Which way is Theater 4?
Go past the blue sign, then turn right.
Is it far?
No, it is just at the end of the hall.
Great. I still have 5 minutes.
Then you have enough time.
The popcorn smells really good.
It is fresh. We made it a few minutes ago.
Perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy the movie.
Thanks. I hope the film is as good as the trailer.
Many people are excited about it tonight.
Asking about a bus route.
Excuse me, does bus 18 go to the City Museum?
Let me check the route map. Yes, it goes near the museum.
Near the museum? How far is the stop?
The stop is about 5 minutes away on foot.
That is okay. Which stop should I get off at?
Get off at Green Street.
Green Street. I will write that down.
Good idea. The bus comes every 15 minutes.
Do I buy the ticket on the bus?
You can buy it on the bus, or you can use a travel card.
I do not have a travel card.
Then you can pay the driver in cash.
Do I need exact change?
It is better, but the driver can give small change.
How much is one ticket?
It is $2.
Great. Is this the right side of the street?
Yes, stay on this side. The bus will come from the left.
Thank you. I always get confused with bus stops.
It happens to many visitors.
Is there a sign inside the bus for each stop?
Yes, there is a screen, and you can also hear the stop names.
That helps a lot.
When you hear Green Street, press the stop button.
Where is the button?
It is near the window and on the yellow pole.
I see. The bus is coming now.
Yes, that is bus 18.
Wonderful. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Enjoy the museum.
I will check the screen carefully on the bus.
That is the best way, especially in a new city.
Meeting a coworker.
Hi, I think we work on the same floor.
Yes, I saw you in the morning meeting. You must be Tom.
That is right. And you are Emma, right?
Yes. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. It is my first week, so I'm still learning where everything is.
That is normal. The office feels confusing at first.
I was looking for the printer room earlier.
It is beside the small kitchen, near the windows.
Good to know. I walked past it twice.
I did the same thing when I started.
Do people usually eat lunch here or outside?
Both. Some people bring lunch and some go to the cafe downstairs.
I brought a sandwich today.
Then the break room is a good place to sit.
Is it okay if I sit there alone?
Of course. But you can join our table if you want.
That would be nice. I do not know many people yet.
It is not problem. Everyone is friendly here.
I also have a question about the daily report.
Sure. What part is difficult?
I am not sure where to save the file.
Save it in the shared folder called Daily Updates.
Thank you. That makes it clear.
You can ask me if you need help again.
I appreciate that.
We all asked many questions at the beginning.
That makes me feel better.
Come on. Lunch starts in 5 minutes.
Great. I am ready for a break.
Bring your sandwich and I will show you where we sit.
Thanks. That makes my first week much easier.
Final exam review.
Emma, the final exam is tomorrow, and I feel nervous.
I understand. I feel nervous too, but we still have time to review.
Which part should we start with?
Let us start with vocabulary. It is the easiest part to check.
Good idea. I made a list of important words.
Great. Read the first word.
The first word is compare.
Compare means to look at two things and see how they are different or the same.
That is clear. Can I use it in a sentence?
Yes, please do.
I compared two pictures in my homework.
Good sentence. Remember to say, I can compare if you want to show ability.
Right. I can compare two pictures.
Nice. What is the next word?
Improve.
Improve means to get better.
Like, I want to improve my speaking.
Exactly. That is a very useful sentence.
I also need help with grammar.
Which grammar point?
Present simple. I sometimes forget the S with he and she.
Say, he works and she studies.
But I work and they study.
Correct. You understand it.
I just need to stay calm during the exam.
Yes. Read the question slowly and answer the easy parts first.
That is good advice.
Also, sleep early tonight.
I will. No more late night studying.
Good. You know more than you think.
Thanks, Emma. I feel more confident now.
Good. Confidence is important, but simple practice is important too.
Then let us review one more short exercise.
Pharmacy advice.
Hello, I need something for a sore throat.
Hello. I can help you. How long have you had it?
Since yesterday evening,
Do you also have a fever?
no, I do not think so. I just feel uncomfortable when I speak.
I see. Do you have a cough?
A little, but not too much.
All right. These throat lozenges may help.
How often can I take them?
You can take one every 3 hours.
Should I take them with water?
You do not need water. Let one slowly melt in your mouth.
Okay. Is it safe to take before work?
Yes, it is not strong medicine, but read the label first.
I will. Do you have anything warm to drink?
We have herbal tea packets near the counter.
Which one is good for the throat?
Honey lemon is popular. It feels warm and soft.
I will take one box of that too.
Good choice. Try to drink warm water and rest your voice.
That is hard. I have meetings today.
Then speak slowly and do not shout.
I can do that.
If you get a high fever or strong pain, you should see a doctor.
I understand. Today it feels mild.
Then these should be enough for now.
How much is everything?
The lozenges and tea are $9 together.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap here.
Done. Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
I will rest my voice after work.
That should help. Warm drinks and quiet time are useful.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.